Hello and welcome. You are watching the video to Predator, which just demonstrates particle effects. In the description, I've described how my project worked so that it explains why it's just particle effects, and in this video I'm going to show you how the particle effects work. So, at some point in the game, there is a dragon. He comes and flies across the screen, squirting fire. So, what I developed is a particle effect system that allows him to spray fire across the screen as he's moving. And this works by taking particles, which is a class that I created, which holds all the data of the particles, its rotation, its movement, all that kind of stuff, and puts it into a particle system, which basically is given a load of different parameters, a load of different variables to decide where the particle should move, how long it's going to live for, and all that kind of stuff. And there is a big queue. And the queue, if I stop this, I have a number displayed in the corner for testing purposes. There's 500 particles within this particle system, so it can use 500 particles. And when it uses it, it puts it on the screen, gives it its starting things, and sends it off. And then when it gets to the end of its life cycle, it goes back into the queue to be reused and reset right at the beginning. And then this continuous cycle happens. And that is pretty much all to explain. It's basically split into three classes: your particle class, your particle system, which is the particle system is an abstract class, which basically you create another class on top of that, which adds meaning to certain variables, certain values, because you give it limits, and depending on your limits, gives you a certain type of particle effect. You could have a smoke particle effect, and you could change the cone to be wider or thinner, or you can make it go all around so it looks like an explosion. So your third class would give you all them values. So this particle system could be taken out of this program and put into any other game that you want to put particle effects into. And that is all I have to show you today. See you later.